everyone, I'm Paula. I'm today's English MC and I'm going to talk about a company that names is NMC. NMC is a company that is specializing in driving motors as a key component for e-mobility momentum. So NMC has been actively researching and developing with a number of finishing car companies at home and abroad. And in December of 2021, it started its mass production, which is supplied with the capacity of 150,000 units per year. Currently, NMC is strengthening the marketing and in the overseas electrical vehicle market, and based on a mass production supplies to the domestic electric vehicle market. In addition, based on driving motors technologies for big electric vehicles, we have completed the development of driving motors for electric ships and driving motors for drones, which is really completely new. Other companies were doing that at the moment. And now it's a really interesting and important resource. Motors for drones and ships. For ships, basically, they're gonna make them work as an electric vehicle. It has never happened before. And they're also expanding their business areas, as I said before. NMC executives and employees are focusing on developing drive motors, products, and production technologies that can lead to the global market. And it will become a reliable partner in the drive motor field, along with the I said before, for e-mobility market in the future. As I said before, is one of the most biggest momentum right now for the e-mobility, and we're using it everywhere around the world. And Korea is becoming one of the number ones in the market. So we're going to talk about the key parts of electric cars. It is a drive motor, which converts electrical energy into rotational energy. When the inverter controls the currents and sends the generation energy in the wheel. Since replacing the gene of the car in the driving motor of an electric car, the growth potential in the future automobile market is about to be enormous. So let me introduce NMC's drive motors, which is recognized for its technology and performance at the time. We're going to talk about the drive motor. Drive motor as a driving motor for e-mobility. It is applied to electric vehicles, electric ships, and drones, as we talked before, and plays a role in generation propulsion. We're going to introduce the types of motors produced by NMC. So first of all, we have the drive motor for electric vehicles. First of all, the drive motor for electric vehicles is the main component that replaces the engine for an internal combustion engine, and the drive motor used for electric vehicles can be manufactured from several kWs to several hundred of them. Now that the NVH technology is becoming important, it is a motor mainly produced by NMC, which is securing all the technology. We're going to talk about the number two. Number two is the outboard motor. The outboard motor is a powered source to replace the engine of the ship and move the ship like a driving motor of an electric vehicle. It's going to work same as an electric vehicle. Then we have number three. Number three is going to be the pump motor for electric vehicles. Electric vehicles require separate oil pumps and water pumps for lubrication and cooling. So we need to do the lubrication and cooling of the vehicle, which is also driven by power of the motor. As expected, it should be produced as a technology and competitive product because it can be so sensitive to the noise vibration of a stock vehicle. The driving motor and turning motor of an excavator, that's number four. It's going to be the use of motors is also diversifying in excavators, as I said before, is expanding because of e-mobility. And the motors needs all the power sources, just the driving motor that moves the excavator and the turning motor that rotates the excavator. So it is being applied as a substitute. And then the last one, but not least, it's going to be the drone motor. The drone motor, it's possible to design and produce small drone motors in contact with the general public. Unmanned drone motors that move parcels and high-powered drones, drone motors linked to the defense industry. So we're going to talk, last but not least, we're going to talk about what makes NMC motors special from other brands. Basically, the main thing that makes them special is because number one and number two rule for them always goes for quality. Quality is the main rule for them. and it makes the direction of the motor produced and pursued by NMC It's always quality, so it's gonna make the customer satisfied. That was it for today. I hope it was helpful. I was Paula, and that's it. Thank you so much.